Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of the World of Waterfalls YouTube channel. I'm your host Johnny Chang, founder of the World of Waterfalls, and in this episode we're going to pursue the Abe-otaki waterfall near Shizuoka, Japan. That must be Mishima down there, that city. Whoa, check that out. Fujisan. What a beautiful day. I thought it was supposed to be mostly cloudy today. Oh, wow, cool. Mishima Kamo.
Recalculating. Please drive to highlighted route. Recalculating. Please drive to highlighted route.
It's like those foliage blocking that nice little river valley there.
Recalculating.
All right, so we're here at the at some inn that is closest to the trailhead for the Abe-otaki or the Abe Great Falls. So that inn is the structure behind me, and then this big lot here is the parking area, because you're talking about a narrow mountain road to get north from the Shizuoka city. There's not much in the way of parking, so you have to basically pay the innkeepers here for the right to park the car and go on the trail. And as you can see around me, I mean, it's mid-April. There's no snow anywhere. I heard it was a warm year this year, so the cherry blossoms apparently peaked at least over a week ago, at least around the cities and stuff. I don't know if we're gonna find any here, but yeah, let's go check out Abe-otaki. All right, it's just me checking back in again. So I went up to the road, and now I'm on. It looks to me like this is a different entrance just beyond the inn we just parked at for 300 yen. This road behind me looks like it's a bit better signed, but they charge 500 yen for cars. And I guess from what I can read from the katakana here, I'm still trying to learn Japanese, but I think the bikes are 300 yen if you go down to the inn over here.
This is cherry blossoms here.
This is a cherry blossom?
Yeah.
So hey, you got to see a cherry blossom. Abe-otaki. This is the second suspension bridge. Look at that. Wow. Be careful on this one. I forgot all about activating my watch. I knew I forgot something. Oh well. Cool. You see the amount of trail maintenance they put in? Sore from yesterday?
Yeah.
All that walking from yesterday?
Yeah. Including that stupid detour.
Yeah. Yeah, these are pretty high steps. Well, we had all this gluten stuff. That's why my joints are not in the greatest of shape. I like that one. The Shiba eating the ramen noodle. That was kind of cool. Right? Oh yeah, it keeps going. But at least it's not terribly steep. It's just moderately steep. And they have maintained it.
It all builds up though.
Yeah. Dapu 0.7 K. So it's 1.2 K in each direction. Okay. Oh, this is too chaotic. You think they cleared this?
What?
They might have.
Created it to stop them.
Yeah. Look how they arranged it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. They try to like stop the landslides. That's interesting. That's an interesting technique. You know, felling trees and putting them horizontally, so like it tries to stabilize, like create terraces.
Cause look where they are. Some of them are some of them are like in front of the trees.
Yeah.
To hold them.
Yeah. No, it makes a lot of sense. Wow, that's some engineering there, right? Little, well, yeah, who knows, but a little bushcraft there, huh? That's true. The trees have to be alive in order to have the roots to stabilize the earth, right? But maybe there have been landslides here before, and they just didn't want that to be keep being an issue. You know? Yeah, as usual, Google Maps overestimates or they severely underestimate the amount of time it takes to drive from place to place. This one took us, we left at what, 8:15? It was almost 11, so it took 2.5 hours to get here. And we still have like another 4 or 5 hours, I think 5 hours to go. Wow, they really built up like a waffle grid there, do you see? Let's go. This is a rockfall area. Those signs are telling you don't stop here. Keep going. Ohayou gozaimasu. Ohayou gozaimasu. Wow. I feel like we're close. Yeah. Ooh, close. So we're 2.2K. Suspension bridge, there it is. Ooh, still climbing. I see the waterfall. Utsuruってゴム塗ってついてぐいでそして are the te and ta forms. Slippery here. A little bit glissant. Whoa. All right, so here we are at the Abe Great Falls, Abe-otaki waterfall. And as you can see, this one's pretty tall. I believe it's like either, I've seen reports that it's 80 meters or 90 meters. It took a 1.2 kilometer, mostly uphill hike across 3 suspension bridges to get here. The second suspension bridge was a little bit of a doozy. But what can I say? This is why we do this, right? We're all alone. We only met like one, quartet of ladies, local ladies apparently, that hiked here. And, it's a far cry. We were in Tokyo yesterday. It's a far cry from the crowdedness, the busyness, the kind of hecticness that is part of the appeal of spending time in Tokyo, but sometimes you need to get away from it all. Abe-otaki, one of Japan's top 100 waterfalls, and I can see why. Yeah. Well, I also bowed to him too. Yeah. Right, in Japan it's all about respect. Right?
For me, because I can't speak it, I just nod. Nod with the...
Right? And depends on the adjective too. If it's a na adjective, you use janai. If it's a e adjective, you use kunai. はようございます。Huh, there's a bus stop here. You would have to, if you want to take the bus from Shizuoka to here. Look how unoften it comes though. 7:16. So if you're going here, it stops here, goes in that direction. 7:16, 10:27, 13. You know, it very unoften, every 2 hours, right?